Hello. So this is Brain Bashers. I used to use this place a lot, but I don't really anymore. I like 2 years ago. When I say used to, I mean 2 years ago. I used this place a lot. Um, I don't know. I mean, I don't know how secure it is or anything. So use it at your own risk. Um, with everything here, use it at your own risk. But I'm gonna be doing some puzzles. So I guess today this is basically just the Wordle. So what? This is different. I was word forward. Oh, interesting. Okay. Does this? Oh, what? Okay. 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 Let's think here. So maybe restaurant. Oh, thinking because rest. So we need a word. That's what 8 letters, but starts with a 4-letter word. So um, because in order to get all the okay, let's restart. Okay. Does fishery work? Okay, so I can type in anything. Okay. This is gonna get complicated so fast. Um, rinse, mm, risky, or no, sink, sir, wait, okay, ribosome, no, ri, ripens, okay. Oh, this is so bad. Um, Pi, okay. My, what do we think the R is? So IX, I don't know. Maybe I should just try the top word first, and then maybe that's the window. Ergo. Gent. Okay, so it's GXE, and I assume. Flynn? Okay. So blank IG figures. Oh, well, it's not gonna fit. Oh lordy, I'm being overloaded. um, so blank R blank EN blank blank blank. I've never played this one before, by the way. I thought this was just gonna be the Wordle. It was gonna be a quick part, but this, I mean, honestly, now I need to lock in. You know what I mean? Pro prune. No. Okay, wait. Maybe it's blank R consonant in. We will need, or that's just. I think maybe for this one. Okay, so does it tell me? Does it change each time? Okay, it does. So, um, so coker. What? Okay. Um. Oh, like I don't know. Um. So I'm assuming it ends in ER. Excuse me. So something. Oh. Um. Gamers? Or no, wait, that's the wrong thing. Oops. Gamer? Okay. Minor? I assume it's MU or ME. No, it's MU. Mutter? I don't know. Or I probably already guessed that. Oh no, it's an MO. I don't know. Mower. Oh. Okay. So we're 2 words in. Lord, this is not going well. I don't know what the average is supposed to be, but I'm below it. Okay, so XIGXRS. Cigars. Okay. Starting to. Oh god, this is so bad. Okay. CR. Okay. We need an. Okay. Oh my god, this is so bad. 7 letters long. Crank. Or hang. Cra. Like this. Cray. I'm feeling it ends with an N. I mean, it's the only really place where G belongs. Or it's craning or crabbing. Craving. Oh my god, that was I don't even know where that came from. I mean, I guess I thought about it way too long, and that probably took a little bit too long, but it's okay. So okay, final one. Lordy. So X. So REN. I'm assuming it starts with a T. I'm gonna go ahead and assume that. Trin. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have all the letters. Okay. Oh wait, no, it doesn't start with trend. Okay, wait. I did this wrong. XRXEN. So try, maybe it's try in and then AOL. Try, I'm assuming it's try something. I mean, or maybe it's ART. Arten, you'll, I don't know. Arten. You know, A doesn't go there. A maybe goes in the beginning, actually. Yeah, I feel like A goes in the beginning. R. Arlen. Attention? I don't know. Maybe it ends with in. Yeah. I don't know. Do I know this word? XRXEN. I know there's no repeats. It's 8 letters, so it has to be. This is just all this is a anagram. So what can go here? L can go here. Orientation? Wait. Wait. Oriental? Okay. Well done. Today's words were Glen Mower, Cigars, Craving, Oriental. Wow, that was something. Holy shamoli. I have not done so. 11 minutes and 5 seconds. That wasn't great, honestly. That's okay, though. I don't know if I want to do that right now. I think I'll just stick to, like, easier puzzles. So, this is one where you have to, like, so you connect the islands using the bridges. And I've done this one a lot. This one I'm actually think I'm pretty good at. Every island contains a clue that tells you how many bridges leave that island. Up to 2 bridges can connect islands together. Bridges can only go horizontally and vertically, may not cross each other. Every island can be reached from every other. Okay, so I'll show you. So one. Oh wait. So yeah, that was one that I was pretty good at. I'll try medium. There you go. Okay, 52 seconds. And then we can try the hard. Okay, 41 seconds. For some reason, that was easier than the medium, or at least I did it faster than the medium. Maybe I was locked in. Anything more than that is going to be boring. Like any larger ones than that. Daily neighbors. So if there's a symbol, the numbers are neighbors. So that means that like if there's a symbol here, 2 and 3, it has to be neighbors. It can't be like 1 and 4 or 2 and 4 or 3 and 1. If there's not a symbol, the neighbors are not okay. So if they're not a symbol, they're not neighbors. I've already done this one too. I think I was actually pretty good at this one too. So let's see. 1 must be with 2 because there's no other neighbor to 2. 2 could be with 1 or 3. If this is 1 and this is a 2, if this is a 3, then it's either a 2 or 4. So this is 2 or 4. So this has to be 3 and 4, so this is 3. That's 4. 3's neighbor is 4, 2, but 4s are there, so 1. And there's also, I don't think it can, they can't like all be the same number. That's why, that's another rule I don't think they included, but it's always true for some reason. 4, so this is like, well, 1, 2, so this is 2 or 3. And then this is 2, 3, 4. 4, this is 1, 3, and this is 2, 3, 4. So if this is a 4, that's a 3. That's a, oh, it can't be 2. That's a 4. Meaning that's not a 4, meaning, oh wait, that also can't be a 4. Okay. Meaning it's 1. That must be 2. That can be, that's 3. Well, wait. Okay. Where can 1? So 1 can't go here, 1 can go here. So this is definitely 1. So then that means that's definitely 2. Unless this one is wrong. 3. Wait, no. Oops. 2. 4 is 1. Oh, so wait, can they all be the same thing? Oh, I think they can. Okay. Then we'll have to figure something else out. Is that a rule? Okay. So I guess that isn't a rule, so I shouldn't be using it. So we will restart. So 1 goes to 2. 2 is to 1 or 3. 1 would go to 2. 3 would go to 2 or 4. This can be 1, 2, 3, 4. This must be must be anything other than a 3. So if it's a 1, it's a 2. If it was a 2, it's a 1 or a 3. If it's 1, it's 2. If it's a 2 over here, then it's a 1 or 3. If it's 3, it's a 4. Okay. This one can't be 2, it has to be a 3 or 4. This one can't be, it can be either, can the 1s be next to it? Okay, they can. So 1, 3, 4. And this, if it's a 1, it's 2, 3, 4, I guess. So, okay, this is getting kind of not cool. If, oh wait, this can't be a 1. If this is a 1, then that'd be a 2, which would be against that. So there must be a 3 and 4. That's nice to know. That gets, oh no, it doesn't get a 4 out of the way, but it gets a 3 out of the way. And this doesn't get anything out of the way. If I were to assume there's 1 in each row, this is a 2, then 1 and 3 wouldn't be allowed. If this is a 4, then 3 wouldn't be allowed. So either way, 3 is not allowed here. So I mean, I assume there has to be at least 1 per row. Okay. So 4, it's either 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 4. So if it's a 1, it can't be a 2. If this were a 1, this can't be a 2. If it were 2, it can't be a 1 or 3. If it were 4, it can't be a 3. So there's nothing really consistent here. So it could be any of these. If this were 2, it wouldn't really help us. If this were, okay, let's just go with what would be nice. If this were a 1, that'd be a 2. If that were 2, that'd be a 1. That'd be a 1 again. And that were 1, that'd be a 2. Which would be neighbors with 1. So that would actually be really nice if this were true. Oops. So maybe it is. So this can't be 3. It can be 1, 2, or 4. Actually, it can't be 1. Can that be a 2 or 4? Can the same... Okay, so I guess it could be a 4, I guess, there. So if this... So, okay. There's a lot going into this one. So... We got 2s on all 3 sides, 4s on all 3 sides, 1s on all 3 sides. Actually, this can't be a 1, so go ahead and update that. So none of these are 1s. And only one of them is a 3. I would love to know where 3s are laying about, but okay. This is 2. This could be a 1. If it were a 1, then... So does this not violate anything? Doesn't... Doesn't, I mean, okay. Let's just go up here and try and solve this first. So if this is a 2... Oh, it can't be 2, it's a 4. What am I even... And it also just can't be a 1, it's a 2 or a 4. I don't think I'm doing this right. So, okay. Maybe we should just come back to this one later. Does that seem good? No, okay. We're finishing this. Okay. If this is a... If it's a 2, then we would need a 1 or a 3. So it's possible because a 3 is possible. If it were a 3, we'd need a 4, which is also possible. Or a 2, which is very possible. If it were a 4, we'd need a 3, which is also possible. So this can be anything but a 1. And since there's only one place for... Okay, let's just try it. Let's just try it. We're going crazy. Okay. Am I not understanding these correct? Complete grid so that every row and every column contains the number 6. Oh my god, okay, so that is a rule. Okay. So then this is wrong. Okay, we're restarting. Okay. Lordy. So 1 goes with 2. 2 goes with 1 or 3. If it were 1, it would have to be a 2. If this were 1, then this would have to be a 2. And this would have to be 2, which is impossible. So that's a 3. This is a 3, so it can be a 2 or 4. And this could be a 2 or 4, but since it's a 2 sorted in a row, so this is a 1. Okay, Lord, this is a lot more easy again. It can't be a 2, so this is a 3 or 4. So this is a 3. 2. What neighbors with 2? 1 or 3. If this is a 1, that's a 2. Oh wait, if that's a 1. Oh wait, if it has a neighbor with 3 and not be neighbors with, and not be a 4. So 2. Okay. 3 also works there. So this actually can't be 3. It's just to be 1 or 2. This is already 2 here, then this is a 1. Okay, that makes sense. That's a 3. Okay. And that's a 4. This can't be a 2, it's gonna be a 3 or 4. 4, because there's already 3 there, so then there's a 3. It's a 3, it's a 2, and that's a 1. Oh my god, that's so much easier. Okay. That was way. I made that so much harder than it needed to be. Okay. I remember the Daily Filomeno being fun too, and I'll do Fudoshiki afterwards because I'm just feeling crazy. So you divide a square into groups such that the square, I'll just show you. You'll see. So 2, that filled in because it's a blob of 2s that is exactly 2 squares large. So then, oops, this will be 5. And then 4 will work here, and then 3 will work here, and then 7 works here. And then 4 will go down here, 5 will go up here. Maybe, here we go, hang on. I'm cooking, hang on, let me cook. Oops. Okay, don't let me cook. Okay, well, that just makes this... That's frustrating. Maybe I can actually just pop that in there and then pop that over here. Or better yet, I can just scoot those 5s back, and then scoot these 4s forward, and then 3s go here. 3s go here. 6s, I feel like I can actually... No, that won't work, because then these need to connect. These 2 6s need to connect. Or else it will be very cluttered. So then 7s go like so. Okay, and we've solved it. Bam. I remember I used to be really, really, really good at this one in last summer because I went crazy. I went crazy with the Filomeno. So Fudoshiki, complete the grid such that every row and column contains the numbers 1 to the size of the grid, so 4, 1 to 4. The symbols on the grid are less than and greater than signs, which always point towards this one number. Yeah, okay, so let's restart. Okay, so 1 and 4, so this is 2 or 3, 2 or 3. What's greater than 2, 3 and 4? What's greater than 3, 4? But it can't be a 4. So that has to be a 3, meaning that has to be a 2, meaning that has to be a 1, meaning that has to be a 3. Wait, did it say that contains number? Yeah, okay, so yes, I'm sorry. So Sudoku rules apply essentially. 2, 4, 2, 4. This goes 2, 4. This goes 1, 2, 1, 2. This only 4 can't be here because nothing's bigger than 4. So then 2 or 3 has to be here. But then also means 2 and 3 has to be here, and the only solution to that is 2 and 3, which would make that 4, that 2, that 4, that 1. So then this is either 2 or 3, 3, 2. Oh. My alarm's going off. Apologies. We can try hard. Sorry, my dogs are barking. So, okay, this is hard. Sorry about my dogs. So, less than 2 things. This can't be a 4. Can't be 3 because then that has to be a 4. So then this is either 1 or 2. If it's 1, then this is 2. If it's 2, then this is 3 or 4. But it can't be 4. So 2 or 3. So this is 2, that's a 3. If that's a 3, it's a 4. Okay, we're building up momentum here. Let's get this thing going. This is 2, 1, 2, 3. This can be 2, 3, 4. This is essentially 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if this were a 2, that'd be a 3, that'd be a 4. Meaning this would do 1 or 3. This would do 1 or 3. And this would be a 4. 2 or 3, this would be a 4. Or 1. This could be anything. Boy, this one is harder. Oh, this only, okay, this has to be a 4 because this row has no other 4s in it. So, and there has to be a 4 in the row, meaning that, so 2 or 3, then this has to be 1 or 2 because if it were 3 and there's no 4, then you're cooked. So, if this is 2, 3, that's 4, I mean that's 2 or 3, and that's a 1. But if this is a 1, it could just be 3 or 4, or 2 or 3, or 2 or 4. So that's somewhat useless. If this were a 1, that'd be 2, 3, 4. Which would mean this is a 2 or 3. Wait, if this is a 1, that would be 2 or 3. This is a 2, that'd be 3 or 4. But also if that's a 2, then this is anything here. Oops. So this is a, can this be 1? Can 1 even be here? I feel like a 4 is either here when a 2, 4, so if 2 is here, a 4 is there. If a 1 is there, a 3 or a 4 is there. But because there's still a chance that there's no 4. If a 4 is there, then that has to be a 2 or so. Okay, this is a 2, 3, 4. So that's eliminated. 2 is eliminated. 3 is eliminated. That'd be 1, and then that would be 3, making that 1 or 2. Also, that'd be 1. Which gets us no. So 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2 or 3 here, and then no 4 there. That'd be a 1. Oh wait, no, that wouldn't be 1. Oh wait, if this is 2, 3, 4, 1. Oh, it's still 2 or 3. So then, if this is 1, that's 2, that's 3. This is 1 or 2. Oh, I'm being notified of nothing. Just a server notification. So, 2, 3, 4. I mean, these two are 1 or 2, 1 or 2. Okay. This is 2, this is a 1. Meaning this is a 2. Meaning this is a 1. So this is a 2. And this is a 3. And this is a 1 or 2. This is a 1 or 2. This is still 4. So 2, 3, 4. No, sorry. 1. We're going with 1 first. So 1, 2, 3. 1 or 2, 1 or 2. This is 1 or 4, 1 or 4. 1 or 4. And then this is 2 or 3. 3 or 4. 3. Which would make this 2. Which would make that 3. Which would make that 4. Okay, wait. I think this actually might be. So 2, 3. Oh, sorry. 3. And this is 2. So up. Up. 3, 4. 4, 3, 4. But then, oh lordy. So then this is 2. It really sucks when you reason something out and then it doesn't work. You know? It's just a shame. I feel like I might have to use a pencil for that or think a little bit harder or something, because 1, that's 2, that's a 3. That's what I should have discovered. Ugh, that's so annoying. That's a 3, 2, it's a 1. This is so embarrassing. I'm not very smart anyhow. 9 minutes I spent on that? Oh my god, I'm so lost. Lordy, I'm so bad at this. Okay. Eliminate numbers until there are no duplicate numbers in a row column. Eliminate numbers by marking them black, and black scores can't tutorials only. The remaining scores are white. Okay. I remember there can't be a. The remaining white scores are white, and every white square can be richer of another. Okay, that's the end state that we want. Okay. I remember I used to do this. I remember I used to cover it with white to start because it was gonna all be white. Like, okay. If I do this, that blocks that off. I mean, 1, 2, 3, so 3, 2, 5, ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba. What's 3p? Oh, here. Okay. I remember doing this one, so that's why I don't just like read and understand the rules immediately, obviously. I'll do the. I didn't sleep too well, so I don't know if I'm gonna be quick with math, but I'll try it. Okay. 19 minus 12 is 7. 7 times 9 is 63. 63 minus 6 is 57. 57 divided by 3 is 19, plus 5, 24. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 4 squared, 16, minus 8 is 8. Half, so 4. Baby! 19.2 seconds. I don't know if that's okay. I remember I did this a couple times and I used to get like, I think like 11 or something. Like, I don't know. This wasn't crazy good, but oh, in 30 seconds. Oh, okay, so I did it. Yay! Hey. Okay. That's, I guess, I don't know. If anyone watches this, which I doubt anyone will, but if they do and they want more puzzles, you can comment down below and I will do more puzzles.